darling. I brought you something. A couple of things. Let me sit down. So, I missed you a lot. Oh, you have no clue. And I guess I want to do something a bit new. I want to make sure to keep you as mine, you know. So I've brought some chains to tie you up. and if that won't do it, then I've brought this. Now don't worry. just to mark you. Make sure everyone knows you're mine. Now don't worry. It'll hurt only a little bit. Here, look, you can listen to it on my skin. Here. It's okay. We're gonna have a bit of fun tonight. And if you yell, you yell. It's fine. I'll make sure you're safe. You will bleed. Just a bit. But it's alright. I want to keep you in the bedroom for, maybe a day or two. I'll keep you chained up. It's long enough for me to feel comfortable. To let you loose again. I gotta make sure you're here at all times. And I gotta make sure everyone knows that you're here with me and nowhere else. As for knife, well, let's see. Just to mark you. Now, we won't make it so obvious. Maybe put it on your chest, my initial. Maybe just put a certain amount of cuts on you. How much? Well, that's for us to find out, right? This will be so much fun. I'm thinking if we do that little cutting thing, so my name has, I don't know how many letters. We cut that many times. How does that sound? My first name and last name. And your middle name would throw it in, right? If we just do initials, we could put my first letter and then cut in a plus and then your initial. I'm so excited. And as for these chains, you'll be chained up the whole time, don't worry. I'll make sure you don't move. I'm excited. I can't express how excited I am. Yes, darling. You'll be safe though. I'll make sure you're okay. I will make sure of that. And I will be doing the exact same cuts you do. So don't worry. You and I will be in this together. Right? Right. Just getting it real sharp for you and I. Why? So I can make it nice, quick, and easy. And fun. Because I know you won't be able to move. I'm gonna tie you down so well. And if you scream too much, I might have to cover your mouth or muffle you some way or another. We'll find out, right, darling? Right, right. What are you thinking? Should I get a different knife? A bigger one? Maybe a smaller one to make it a bit more hidden? Or should I get a custom knife? Get one made for us. Wouldn't that be cute? You think so? Maybe. I'm over here playing with it, and I don't think it's sharp enough, to be honest. I really don't. I think we need something sharper, don't you? Come here. Now, this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna get ready, get dressed, put on whatever you want. I don't care. As long as you're here. And when you're done showering and all that fun stuff, we can continue. Sound good? I had other plans too. Like what? Well, I was gonna muffle you and tie you down when you're asleep. But I didn't want to scare you too much. Does that make sense? Hold on, let me grab this. Scaring you is very attractive. I don't like doing that all the time. It wears it out. I like waiting for the perfect moment. It's just more eventful. I set this down. Put the knife over here, right? Come here. Give me your cheek. That's gonna go on you later. Don't worry. It's only gonna hurt a little bit. Okay? And I'll be... I don't know if I'll be quick. I really don't know if I'll be quick. Do I want to be is the real question. If I'm quick, I won't hear your screams as much. If I'm slow, your blood just comes out slower and it's just so beautiful. You try to hold it in. So darling, no, you're already getting me going. What if we start early? How's that sound? Shh. Now you be a good girl. Don't be naughty. Go get ready. Understand? Good. I'm gonna... I guess I'm gonna get multiple knives for you and I. See which one is better for the occasion. And don't worry, just in case if you're worried, I've sanitized the chains. So you don't have to worry about getting sick or anything like that. You can bleed peacefully. Just making sure you're safe, like I told you. I don't want anything inside you that doesn't include me. If you get sick, that means I gotta take care of you. Well, I do love doing that. I don't like watching you be hurt. Alright, let's go. Get ready. I love you.